Bangladesh Prime Minister Sheikh Hasina has resigned and left the country on Monday, media reports said, as more people were killed in some of the worst violence. Hasina and her sister were on Monday taken to a safe shelter away from her official residence, a source said. Hasina took off in a military helicopter to India, according to Prothom Alo Daily. At least 6 people were killed in a fresh outbreak of violence in Bangladesh on Monday as thousands of protesters started gathering for a long march to Dhaka, a day after over 100 people died in fierce clashes between the ruling party supporters and demonstrators demanding Prime Minister Sheikh Hasina's resignation. 6 more protesters got killed in police firing as they were marching to Dhaka. Bangladesh government already has imposed countrywide curfew and internet shutdown. August 4 saw the deadliest Sunday as 91 people got killed on a single day, taking the toll to 300 during this recent anti-government protest. Bangladesh's Prime Minister Sheikh Hasina has left the capital Dhaka in the face of mass protests demanding her resignation, a source close to the embattled leader told AFP on Monday. She and her sister have left Gana Bhaban, the premier's official residence, for a safer place, the source told AFP. She wanted to record a speech, but she could not get an opportunity to do that. AFP. Protesters clashed with members of Chhatra League, student wing of Bangladesh Awami League, and with police at Narayanganj's Chashara, Bangladesh Daily Prothom Alo reports. As many as 20 people are wounded when police fired tear gas shells to disperse the crowd. Students have occupied important highways at Tangel and Dhaka. A group of protesters are marching from Uttara to Banani. Prothom Alo reports they are approaching towards Dhaka in several small groups. Common people have joined the long march to Dhaka apart from students and teachers to demand resignation of Prime Minister Hasina. Bangladesh's Army Chief Waqar Uzzaman will address the country for the first time since the beginning of deadliest anti-government protests that saw the death of more than 300 Bangladeshi citizens. General Waqar will address the people at 2 p.m., said Rashidul Alam, an official of the Inter-Service Public Relations, the official spokesman of the military, Reuters. With the death toll rising in Bangladesh and protesters demanding resignation of Prime Minister Hasina, government declares 3 days holiday starting from August 5. Garments industry also closed their operations. Bangladesh Army is patrolling the streets and urged everyone to obey curfew rules.